Can we meditate with the open eyes? Can we meditate standing and walking? हम आंखें क्यों बंद करते हैं? Let's find it out in this video. My name is Vajira Dorjey and I'm so happy to see you here again. I have made a video the previous week on what is meditation. It is my recommendation that you learn what is meditation, what is the ultimate purpose of the meditation before you dive into learning how to meditate. So please check what is meditation here. To practice meditate, there are a few points, like you have to find a place, you have to find your posture, you have to understand what techniques to do. First thing you need to do is to find a place. If you want to begin to practice meditation, you need to find a place in your home or find a center where you can go and practice. In the beginning, it can be your bed. Second is the posture. You have to sit on the half lotus or any cross leg that you are comfortable. In a classic way is to sit cross leg and keep your hands on your lap, one above the other, and then keep your back straight, neck straight, head little bended. So this is the posture, but this does not mean that this is only the posture. The important thing is comfortable posture when you practice meditation. So take up the posture, take up the place. Make sure that the place has less distraction, less noise. Okay, now the next thing is the technique. Today we are going to talk about the basic meditation, that is the technique of breathing in and breathing out. By doing this, we improve our focus, our concentration, our mindfulness, and then we become a calmer person. Okay, so we will practice in the later stages of the video. Before you close your eyes, check your posture, and then you can close your eyes. Not now, you can see here, and then we'll practice later, and you can practice later also, but right now you can observe me. Gently close your eyes. Why closing eyes is necessary? Imagine you are in a room and you want to practice meditation and the door is open. So in a house, if your door is open, anybody can come and that can cause distraction, isn't it? You can close your eyes, which get rid of lots of unnecessary distraction. In the beginning, you can feel the sensation of your feet touching the ground, your lower body on the ground, and then your hand on your lap. Observe your body. You would automatically feel, for many, that there is a rise in your chest, and then there's a rise and fall in your abdomen because of our breathing pattern. As you inhale, the body is gonna rise, and as you exhale, the body is gonna fall. And the fall, the rise and the fall. And you can practice this. A point comes that your mind automatically goes on your nostril, that you feel the sensation of in-breath as I feel now, and the sensation of the breath coming out. Please be prepared when you meditate. The possible distraction could be a thought. A thought is only possible either in the past or in the future. So with time, you will automatically recognize. In the beginning, you will just imagine as mind is wandering on something. Another possible would be there would be pain in your joints, there can be a mosquito bite, there could be some scratch, or there could be a noise depending on the place you sit, isn't it? You're just gonna say it is a thought and then slowly come back on your breathing. And with time, when you become aware of the thought, the mind is habituated to come back. When there is a sensation, you become aware of the sensation and the mind comes back. Same with the noise. It comes with lots of practice, isn't it? So this is how you meditate. If you have more questions, you can also comment below, and then let me try if I can answer on them. So let's try to meditate for a few minutes. Gently close your eyes and then feel the sensation of your leg touching the ground, It can be of if your hand is on the lap, if you can feel the finger touching each other. Then as you do that, you will feel the rising and falling of your body. The purpose of the meditation is to be happy and calm. Meditation is not about the force. Meditation is about natural. Things happen naturally. Imagine you going to sleep. If you force for the sleep, do you get sleep? The sleep happens automatically after some time. So does this focus of the meditation happens automatically as you settle down. I have to end the video here. I believe that I am benefiting you. If you are benefited, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that I bring more knowledge on meditation. Click on the bell so that you are notified about my new video. And I'm so grateful that you are here with me. Until next time, it's pleasure talking to you. Namaste. Do good. Be happy.